So in this tutorial we will work on auth system, and we will create two roles, one for the administrator and one for the author. So author can only access some routes and admin can access every route. We will use Laravel passport for this. Here we will need to run our PHP artisan server. That's fine. And the second, we will just run npm run. So here are the Laravel passport documentation, and from here we will first need to run this command, like install the Laravel passport in our project. So let's copy this. Let's come here and a new terminal. You'll paste this. Okay, after this we will need to run this PHP artisan migrate, but before this we will need some basic steps like going to database and then migration and then user table. Here we will need to make another column and that is the wall, and by default we will just give it a value of author. Okay, this is author, and fine, let's close this. Now we will need to run PHP artisan migrate, refresh. Okay, one more thing, we need a seizure. Okay, so let's make first a seizure and let's name it admin. Okay, so we'll make seizure and it will be admin seizure. And inside the seizure we will use app/user. Fine, and we will create a user. Call that seizure, so we can call it like admin seizure, and let's save it. Now let's run PHP artisan migrate and then refresh and see it. Okay, this is done. Now we will also need to run this. Okay, after this we will need to use this inside our app and then the user model, and also just copy this and use this. Okay, after this we will close this, and then we will need to use Laravel passport in our service provider. So inside our providers and then our service provider we'll use, I will copy this, I will paste it here, and okay, we can use this, but actually we have to make two roles, so we don't need this for now. And inside our config and then auth.php we have to copy this and then config, and then auth.php, and then encodes array. We have API array, and then we have to replace token by passport. After this, okay, then go above, and from these contents, just click on token scope, and okay, so we can give each token a scope, and you can read all of these documentation. So we need to copy this from here, and here we have to paste it, and let's close this auth.php, and let's just save this. But so for learning purpose, I will make two roles, one for admin, so admin can do anything, for example, and the description for this should be administrator, and one for the author, and we can give it the role of can create, like the okay. So and here we can write author. This is fine, we don't need to do anything further in this, so let's close this, also close this, come back here, and we will use personal access token. So we have to give each token a scope in this way. So now just come here and define some routes. So inside routes, api.php,